Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And can you believe it? I'm getting AM out of a piece of wire. Well, no, not really. I'm getting it out of this radio right here from Jeff. Let me see if I can get it all the way in this view. And maybe I need to add a little more lighting. Yeah, okay, that's all right. I still got a little shadow there, but maybe I tilt it up a little bit. There we go. We can see it. I'm going to pull it forward so you can see the front of it. Let me turn the volume down. Oh, volume's already down. This is a Zenith, and it's a model H723. And Jeff has a question mark. Maybe that's not really the model number, but that's what he thinks the model number is. It's about 1960 to 1963 vintage. AM, FM, 7 tubes. It's a little worn, got a couple of scratches. Not a big deal. But it picks up stations really good. Let me set it down so I don't break my finger here. And he got it at a, where did he get it? A tailgate swap in Orlando about 3 years ago for $30. Tunes real easy. This is a tuning dial here, tuning indicator here, there's a tuning knob here. AM FM switch. Nothing spectacular on the back. No external antennas. Let me just make sure I didn't make a liar. Yeah, there is one connection for, it says, I don't know. Actually, let me see if I could, let me go the other way around. It's a little confusing here. I'm not sure what I'm seeing, but there are two screws, and one of them is holding the AC cable. There is a marking there under this one. It's just a symbol of some kind. This one is tight. It does not move. But this almost appears to be connections for an FM antenna. It's interesting, this little jobby-do here where the cable goes through. There's a little bit of phenolic or something paper-like insulation. And it's definitely for power. Let me just get a screwdriver. What happened to my screwdriver? I can't believe I can't find my screwdriver that's usually close by. Oh, here it is. Who moved my stuff? Okay, let's change this from a Phillips to straight here. I'm not going to take this all the way off. I'm just going to loosen it. Whoa, it's really tight. There we go. I'm just going to loosen it so I can see. Oh, there we go. I got it off. Now I can see. Oh, it does say F and G. So this must be the FM antenna, external FM antenna. I think I should put this on G, not F. Maybe not. Maybe it's trying to use this cable as an antenna. I'm thinking, and Jeff, you can correct this when you get it back. I'm thinking this should go on G to try to eliminate any noise from the AC cord. Tighten that up just a little bit, and then we tighten this up so it didn't fall off. And let me see if I can see any difference if I touch that while I'm on FM. I'm on AM right now. Okay, there's FM. Real weak station there. Yeah.
A JCPenney store in your area has
big difference.
and we've made it
So
easier to shop.
that's what that is. That's for an external FM antenna. We're going to try it, of course, without an antenna.
Make that shopping trip
We
extra
do
special with
have,
Store-wide deals
whoops,
as much as 80% off clearance.
we
We're
do
taking all
have
the right steps to keep
significant hum. Now, Jeff said in his notes that he hasn't had anything done to this, so probably the electrolytic capacitors need to be replaced, and that's allowing the hum to come through.
Practice the same song on tuba.
Still getting quite a few stations. Of course, I have a lot near me. That's about it. So it needs that external antenna. So let's turn the volume down. It's got plenty of volume. Let's turn the volume down. Go back to AM. Don't need an external antenna for AM. And then we'll tune it. We're at the top of the band. This is AM. Oh yeah. It locks in good. But it does have the AC hum.
Would you stop? It was his brother. It was Larry Bird's brother Jeff.
When they're talking, you don't notice the AC hum too
It was
much.
an individual session.
And Bubba had the smaller wang, so that that
It was a doubleheader game.
It's all plastic.
it's tough when you have the smaller unit when you're going with another guy,
You
isn't it?
should know. You got a lot
Again, it's a Zenith. Did I see a model number on the back?
I know that'd be embarrassing.
There's a lot of writing, but it's light gray.
when you're doing Grand Slam.
I like the lights on. I'm very visual. I like
No. See some warnings.
By the way, welcome, Anna, to the show.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
For best results, use Zenith quality tubes. Okay.
Third base with Lummy's probably out of the question.
And then somebody, probably the previous owner, has scratched his name on here. It's got D. Stein.
Does that one turn your enthusiasm up, or two say?
In Jeff's notes, he says it's real easy to get in to work on it, but it does sound like it needs some new electrolytic capacitors.
It looks infectious. So
That's about it.
Third base with the girl, just based on it's got cuts on it and everything, and that's how you transmit.
From moving and the 2x4.
I want to thank Jeff for providing this to me. This is also the on-off switch, off. So of course the hum goes away. Other than that, it's working fine. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.